Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-1 visas, and this is a video to update a rather recently put up video on here where I discussed specifically that there would be new financial criteria associated with those sponsoring a K-1 fiance from Thailand, that there would be new regulations put forward. And I'm making this video because as of the time of the making of this video, an injunction has been handed down by multiple different courts in the United States. The two that I read specifically enjoined the government from implementing these rules, and one specifically, as I recall, basically created a situation whereby even if the injunction is later overturned, it will not be overturned retroactively. It will only be overturned for those who are seeking benefits moving forward. So what does this mean? Well, as a practical matter, yes, there is something of a gray area here. We're in something of a state of limbo. It also leaves certain vagueness with respect to consular officers who are adjudicating applications for visas outside the United States. For example, here in Bangkok, Thailand, where does that leave them? Are they enjoined from, using these new criteria? Difficult to say exactly. I think for the most part, though, yes, the injunction pretty much holds toward everyone, although consular officers have a certain amount of discretion, particularly under the doctrine of consular non-reviewability or consular absolutism in their fact-finding function, and that leaves some vagueness specifically with respect to how this is going to play out. Long term, I think planning for the worst and hoping for the best is usually the way to do things, and for that reason, I think it's wise to presume that at some point we may be seeing these new rules actually implemented. For now, it's a bit of a reprieve. Hopefully, for those who are seeking K-1 visa benefits or any immigration benefits that are affected by these new rules, hopefully for them, especially for those folks who may slip through a crack and have some real problems as a result of the implementation of these new rules, hopefully for those folks, this reprieve might hold for a prolonged period of time to allow a case to process, or it may, in fact, ultimately, be upheld by a higher court, perhaps even the U.S. Supreme Court, resulting in the entire matter being put to bed, at least for the foreseeable future. So how exactly this is going to play out remains to be seen, but for now, the new financial sponsorship criteria are on hold, pending further ruling with respect to the injunctions that have gone into effect from the federal courts in the United States of America. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.